To obtain a wireless microphone, visit the Academic Technology Center ATC in the library. A link to their website is available in the notes for this video. For most large lecture halls, both a handheld and lavalier microphone are available. Both microphones can be used with the classroom speakers, and in most large lecture halls, both microphones can be used with Zoom as well. Please note that although the lavalier microphone is the same model used in general use classrooms, the lavalier microphones used in large lecture halls are set up for a specific location, so you won't be able to use the same unit in a different classroom. You'll want to first make sure that the instructor computer and classroom system are turned on. To turn on the lavalier microphone, flip the switch on top of the unit. The unit is now ready to use. To turn on the handheld mic, flip the switch on the side of the unit. The unit is now ready to use. To adjust the volume of the wireless mic, tap on Audio Controls on the control panel. Use the up-down arrows under wireless mic to adjust the volume. You can also use the mute button to temporarily mute the wireless microphone. If you are using the wireless microphone with Zoom, start your Zoom meeting and then click on the caret icon next to the microphone button. For large lecture halls, it's recommended that both the microphone and speaker are set on Echo Canceling Speakerphone. This device is automatically collecting the audio from the instructor podium mic, the ceiling microphones, and any wireless mics connected to the system, so it will provide the best audio in the classroom and on Zoom. However, you may want to test your microphone and speakers to make sure that nothing needs to be adjusted. Keep in mind the classroom system is set to prioritize the instructor podium microphone and wireless microphone over the ceiling microphones. This means that if a student in the classroom starts talking and you interrupt them, the student will be cut off and Zoom attendees may not hear them. You don't necessarily need to mute your microphone, just wait until a student has finished speaking before you start speaking to make sure that everyone can hear the student. When you are done with the wireless mic, be sure to turn it off by flipping the switch either on the top of the unit or on the side of the unit. This helps extend the battery life of the microphone. You can check the battery status on both microphones by looking at the battery indicator on the display. If you need to change the batteries on the lavalier microphone, hold down the buttons on each side of the unit to release the battery flap. You can now remove and replace the batteries inside. If you need to change the battery on the handheld microphone, carefully twist the bottom of the unit and pull the cap off. You can now remove and replace the battery inside.